In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to complete step 6 of the WooCommerce plan, which is to map categories. However, this is optional. Click on step 6. The option at the top is to sync the changes you make on Wholesale 2B to your WooCommerce store. If this is on, and you decide to edit your categories or tags in Wholesale 2B, it will automatically be changed on your WooCommerce store as well. We recommend you keep this option on. Here on the left, these are the supplier categories. If you want these supplier categories to go under your category in your store, then enter your store's category in this box. This is called mapping. You will also need to enter your store tag. If you want all the supplier categories to be under your category, then you can enter your store category one by one. This is only a one-time thing, then everything is set. If you want multiple supplier categories to be under one store category, you can enter the same store category in the boxes. Here is an example. In this case, I want all these supplier categories to be under one store category, from my store, which is household appliances. So, all these items will appear on my store, under the category household appliances, because I have individually filled each category box to be household appliances. Here is another example. In this case, I have used the greater than symbol, to put the supplier categories, into subcategories from my store. For example, the first supplier category will appear under the subcategory scopes, from my store. This subcategory can be accessed by clicking on the subcategory bow, from the hunting category. The same applies for the rest. If the store category boxes are empty, such as these, then the supplier categories will be displayed on your store. There are two filters here that you can use. This filter is used to show unmapped categories or mapped categories only. The other filter is to search for a specific supplier. You can click on this item link to view which products are under this category. After all that, step 6 is complete. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for future tutorial videos.